Well, anyway, we're outside of the property, and this is beautiful southern Wisconsin, where the reason it's so pretty out here is because this is called a driftless area. 50,000 years ago, when glacier was on, it split up by La Crosse, and it didn't shove our hills flat. So it is quite pretty around here. We're going to walk up and walk through the house. This is a big two-car garage with a 30 by 50 shed back there for your toys. And anyway, right here inside the front door, they have a half bath. It's kind of right back in there. And then this is the living room, obviously. And there's a fireplace here that they put in to helps heat the place. It heats very easily anyway because of that solar porch all along the one side. Anyway, in the back is, behind the fireplace, is two bedrooms that each have their own 3/4 bathroom. And each of them open out onto the solar room. And anyway, we'll go around this way. Yeah, there's 36 acres, and there's about 25 acres of real nice woods. It's got some pretty big walnut trees in it, and 900 feet of frontage on the river. And this is where you cook the hamburgers. Anyway, the cupboards here, an architect designed this, and so there are roll-up doors on the cupboards. And yeah. Out this way is the master bedroom area, with the master bath is located in there. And this is the master bedroom. This house has a full basement, by the way, with a living room and a living room downstairs and a rec room and a shop and another bathroom down there. And out here opens out to the room that's good for growing things, either your geraniums or whatever you're into growing. And then this is the solar room, and all along the south side of the house. The house is about 16 years old, and it is in very nice shape. It doesn't need for anything right now. And if you like privacy and quiet, this place sure has it. And nature. It's located at the end of a long lane here, and so it's very private. And by the way, my cell phone number is 214, well, actually 608 and then 214-0291. And everybody that looks at this property says it's much nicer inside than they imagined it was. The guy did a pretty fair job, I'll tell you. So, thank you.